Yo, what's good? Yo, Roma, did you catch that GJ trade? We had a nice New York trade here. Jumped in, boom. Hit all TP3s, TP1, 2, and 3, and then melted. But anyways, onto US 30. Onto US 30. Damn, that would have been dope if you. Quick too. It wasn't breakout though. Casual TD, what up? What up? How do you guys like this first VIP stream? Really? Welcome. I don't usually do it on YouTube like this, but I usually send out a Zoom link. But I'm just curious how you guys. This was yesterday's. We're back at it today. Back at it today. Turn lines up. Yeah, if you're new to US 30, I don't know if you have experience trading US 30 or not, but she's a beast, and I don't recommend trading it unless you have like at least 1500 in your account minimum. And also you need to figure out how your broker calculates it by pips or points, like what number is it counting it, so you can figure out your. If I pay for YouTube Premium, can I have this open while I go onto NT5? Yeah, I don't know. I don't have YouTube Premium. It's probably like the only premium thing that I don't have. Everything else I'm not really on YouTube. Besides, I'm funded 200K, and I was on your stream yesterday when we got the dub. Nice. Yeah, I did the US 30 stream yesterday for everybody because I had missed the New York session Tuesday and Wednesday, the one I usually do for everybody. So I figured out my lot size I need. Nice, cool. As long as you know that, like that way you can figure out how you're gonna be trading it. We're waiting on NYSE open, guys, so be patient. I almost sent out the link to the free Telegram. This stream is a private stream, so it's on YouTube, but it's private, so you can't pull it up. But by the link, like the link that I sent out to VIP, you'll be able to access. Okay. Man, this thing is. Go look. They have So the reason I like the YouTube is because like, you know, the YouTube saves the videos and it doesn't take up space, like physical space on my PC or hard drive. And for me, it's a lot easier to like cut out from YouTube like clips and stuff and share with you guys. I've been wanting to, you know, be able to post more content and show you guys specific things. Right now, like, I mean, the way I was doing Zoom is I would just record the Zoom, put it on my external hard drive, and then send it out as a recap in the VIP. But like for this one, I mean, you could just click the link and rewatch it. You know. All right, so hopefully we don't get a break right now because NYSC is still like 22 minutes away. If we do, I'm not gonna get in. I think it's too early. I think what end up happening a lot of times when it breaks before, it's like capturing liquidity and then it flies, you know. And it would make sense because look at this right here, right? We have this low over here, so it might be doing this big ad. I know it looks big, but on a higher time, remember this is a 1 minute time frame. On a higher time frame, I mean, this is just double bottoms, baby, right? I'm just like walking you guys through like my thought process. Wait. Even if it does break below before, I'm gonna pay attention to this zone, and what I'll do is I'll go ahead and mark here. So if it breaks below here, we'll forget about this because more than likely we're gonna catch that reversal. Because what it's doing is building this liquidity to be able to, right? Because remember guys, the market doesn't move straight up and straight down. Market moves down, couple nuggets there for you guys. Regardless, you know, I tell you guys what I'm doing when I'm jumping in, all that good stuff where I'm putting my stops and all. And even then, if this breaks out down here, bro, our fucking stop is not gonna be till way up here. If it breaks out down here, oh, here, 10 point this, which, so we're talking about almost 250 points, right? We have a little zone here. Main zone is, although it's still worth it, it's just like this is big drawdown potentially. Let's just be patient, give it some time, see what 830 looks like, because that's where the volume is going to come in, where the money's at. Does anyone know how to take partials on MetaTrader through the PC, like desktop version? I've only been able to do it through the phone. I've never been able to do it on the PC. So I just do it from my phone. Just wondering. Anyone's figured that out yet? I'm sure there's probably like tools and stuff, software you can add on there, like EA type stuff. We got about 17 minutes. No. Tripping. Were you guys able to take profit on that GJ? Did you guys see that? How it went up, hit TP 1, 2, and 3, spiked up all the way up here, and just melted. This NAS 100, it was a nice one at first, and then when it came back up here, I was like, oh, this is perfect. When I saw this bearish candle, and like I entered in here. What's wrong? No, stop. Don't be whining. And then it just came up. This was the third trade though. Yesterday we took US 30, one on that, took NAS 100, one on that, and then I did a second one on NAS 100, and then it just fucking ranged. Look at that. It's probably gonna come down though, but go with that right. About 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Can you guys see the screen and everything okay in here? How many of you guys are in the VIP watching right now and aren't even subscribed to YouTube? How many of you guys didn't even know I had a YouTube? I hadn't been on YouTube in a while. I used to stream on there all the time. But I had like technical issues. Stream looks good, nice. That's crazy how like there's like over 200 people in the VIP and only like 20 people get on the stream, and we literally making money hand over fist. And then when they get on or they get one of the signals, it's like a hit stop loss, and then they're all mad. I'm like, dude, look, I've been with it all week. It's like, it's not my fault you're not consistent, dude. Like, you come on when I take the loss. As a matter of fact, I think you're bad luck. Don't come on. I'll be having some people hit me up like that. I'm like, dude, don't know what to tell you if I'm profitable. Like, should be too, but you got to be catching trades that I send out, the lives that I send, everything that I send out, like in VIP or in when I do the lives. Like, I'm literally, you know, taking those trades. Like I only send out trades that I take. I just don't have time to just look at trades to send out if I'm not going to take it, you know. I'm a busy guy. How many monitors do I have right now? I only have one widescreen 50, but like it's because I haven't set up my other ones. But usually, well, two really. Like a TV, a 50-inch TV up top, and then I have my 50-inch widescreen main monitor for my charts, and then I have two 20-inch widescreens, a 32-inch widescreen, or a 32-inch Samsung, not a wide. And but those other three monitors I haven't set up, so you know, it's just like I'm still trying to organize. Like even in the back, like you see all my equipment back here, like I haven't none of that up. I've been super busy. I need to set it up. I need to organize and all that kinds of shit. I'm a pretty busy person, man. Like got a lot of things. Got about 11 minutes. I'll lay down. Sorry, my dog is like, no, he's acting weird, kind of whimpering. And he never does that. He doesn't even bark. And he's like, something's hurting him. Okay. It's 10 minutes. Yeah, stream has been doing good. I want to jinx it, but I haven't had any. So for anyone that's new here, this is the US30 scalp session. We trade US30, we scalp US30 on the 1 minute. Okay. Basically the zones that you see, I mark them up on the 1 hour chart. Okay, and that's just to show me where we have levels of support and resistance, or like consolidation ranges on a higher time frame, because that gives me potential targets, right? And then we move down right after the 1 hour, after the establishing the zones, we move down to the 1 minute and we do our trend lines. Our trend lines are just basically 1 minute, we're looking from the top and we're looking from the bottom. Sometimes we have this situation, you don't want to draw a trend line that is facing down, okay? Drawing a trend line that's facing down is not going to be valid for us. It needs to be facing up, right? So if you don't have anything here, like I can't draw anything anywhere here that is facing up. All of these are down, 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 down. All of these facing down. So you keep moving back until you see one, but you need 2 touch points, okay? You need 2 touch points, and the second touch point can't be your current point, okay? Because it's not currently valid, because that price is still being established, right? So here's the first touch point. I know here I can have a trend line that goes up, but there's no second touch point, because if I do any of these bottoms for a touch point, it would have already broken, right? So then I have to move further back, still keeping the trend line up, and here's my first touch point. So here's my first touch point. I take this all the way across to this one, second touch point, and then automatically it puts my line here, right? And it's pretty crazy how this thing kind of respects that, and see that, like how it came down here, it's bouncing off this, consolidating a bit, pushing up. Now this trend line here came here, and it's kind of squeezing it out right there, right? See how it goes. Really, if I get a break to the downside before this, I'm not going to take it, because like I said, just because of price action and market structure, from what we already looked to the left, I think we'll have something that comes down here and then rockets back up. I think that this slow trickle move here is just establishing some volume for this to eat up. You know, hopefully that makes sense. Just trying to give you guys some nuggets while waiting patiently. We got 7 minutes. 7 minutes. And this trend line, I just put this trend line because if it does break to the downside, once we get into NYSE open, if we break above this here on this side, then we can take break and close. What we're looking for in the 1 minute is a break and close above or below the trend line. For our stops, we're putting it at the previous swing high or low. So if it was to break to the downside and it was already past NYSE and I'm taking a sell, then my stops would be here, but it would be, this is the high, right? I would count 10 points above it, and that's where I'd put my stop. If it crosses down and we break up to this side and I'm taking a buy, then I would be whatever that low was plus 10 points. Like that. doing a little teaching while I'm working here. Somebody messaged me on Instagram yesterday. They said, man, this is the fastest I've ever seen anyone put people in profit and dip off the live stream. And I was like, bro, I'm about my bag. Like, I don't have time to be chilling. Like, I got shit to do. But that's how, like, you know, I think that mentally, like psychologically, trading psychology, that's where I'm at. Like, for me, this is like a job. You know, I come in and I do my part, and the market corresponds to that. Like, a lot of people, you know, they get too emotional with losses or they get too emotional with wins. Like, we're just going to come in and do what we know how to do based on our rules, based on our strategy, based on the way we trade. Like, we're just going to execute, right? The byproduct of that, like, is we're either going to make money or we're going to lose money. Right now, if we lose money, that's why we have risk management, right? That's to protect us. But our plan and our strategy is what gives us our edge, that we win more than we lose, right? So the winning and losing, like the monetary part of it, shouldn't be a focus. It should just be a focus of, did I do what I was supposed to do? Did I show up on time? Did I follow my rules? Was I disciplined? Was I patient? And if at the end of the day you answered yes to all those, like, you did your job. That was just an L that was going to happen regardless, you know? Now, yeah, granted, at the end of the week, like, I look at my trading journal and I look at my wins and losses, and I look at the trades and see if there's anything I could do better, anything at all. Like, you know, can I think about something differently? What can I look at? Can I get a better entry? Can I take more profits? You know, all of that stuff is what I look at the end of the week. I'm not going to sit in the middle of the week and try to dissect that when, like, I got to trade the following day, you know, and I got to be on my A game. So I'm not going to, because I think if I start trying to review trades in the middle of the week, like, it may make me second guess myself or try to implement changes in the middle of the week, right? And I don't want to do that. Like, I'm going to consistently go through the week how I do things, and then at the end of the week I'll review. And really, even at the end of the week, I'm not like looking to make any changes or implement changes, or I don't abandon things. Like, I need more data, right? So it needs to be a bigger sample. Like, if I start seeing things, oh, you know, 2-3 weeks, a month of this certain pattern, then I'm like, okay, There's something here that I can address. But yeah, I mean, that's just kind of my mindset on things and the way I look at stuff. I'm gonna move this one because it's not what I want. I think we're gonna get by though here, like bumping off of here in line. Right there. So we got NYSE open in 40 seconds, guys. So here's our trends here. Lines. Over below. Patient. All right, we got NYSE open. Thing, let it move around. Patience. Breaking to the downside. Got about 50 seconds left on this. We're gonna be looking at, here's the good push up to this high. There's this. And I really think it's just gonna hit here and reverse. I mean, it's overall bearish. Catch our 50 points. We got about 15 seconds, guys. Get ready for a sell. Get ready for a sell. 15 seconds. Closes below. We got 2 seconds. Yep, selling it. All right, so we're in the sell here, guys. Close of that. Remember TP1 at 50 points. There. Flying towards. Can't even put the alert on. About to hit it. Oh, I mean, she's basically right there. Basically right there. If you guys want to go ahead and take partials, adjust your stops to break even, I would. Because I mean, we're talking about, I think it was a point, less than a point. There we go. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. Adjust your stops to break even. Take partials. Another win. Another win for us, baby. Another win for us. Lovely. Lovely. I'm just gonna take small partials and then move my take profit. So my stops are to break even, and really I'm gonna be target zone down here. So who made money with me today? Who made money with me today? That was quick, right? That was quick, right? It's looking lovely. I mean, I know you guys see my profits on the screen, right? Seconds in and out. That's what I love, man, about US 30, man. She's quick. She's quick. Just in and out with it. In and out with it. In and out with it. Looking lovely, looking lovely. She's up what, 90 points? Man, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it, love to see it, love to see it. Beautiful. Pushing up. Maybe that's top weight. Continue down. Beautiful. Looking lovely. That's up about 84, 85 pips. You know what, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and close out my position. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out because that little doji right there. All out, closed. Taking my profits, thanking the markets, and that's another W for VIP. Another W. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and you know, we can do it again next week. Friday I'm not trading tomorrow. I'll send out my schedule on Sunday, but I plan on doing New York sessions, so we can be live for New York sessions and make that money. All right, much love, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
trading session in the books. Executing analysis, strategy, and discipline. Thank you for joining us for this live trading session with Lord Banks. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't miss the next Lord Banks live trading session.